Hi guys, we're at Llanelli West, level crossing in Carmarthanshire with Callow. The train in the station that just passed is now departing and the other one's just arrived. You to us. Did I say east? I meant Llanelli West if I did say, sorry. Down. Right. We've got to go through this again. Ugh. Well, if we'd say 21:18 on the Thursday 31st of March 2016, we'd say this is for our 21, slightly delayed 21:09, 1 Victor 50, Move home to Manchester, Piccadilly, around by River train to Wales. Keep crossing clear sign. Here's your phone. Crossing. Old signal box. Lights. Barriers. 4 of them, of course. I don't want to focus auto. And we're moving. It's another 3 car, 175. What's with 3 cars today? Where's our 2 cars? I haven't seen A nor B of them. Anyways, here she comes. And what have we got? 175, 114. Is that 114? Yes, that's 114. No, 115, sorry. 175, 115 to Milford. Now watch how these barriers start going up. Here we go. Thanks, I see you in the next video.